Hi guys, my name is Morwan and we're making a car machine. And we have here in this basket we have this stick for our top of this, and we have number 2 the wheels, and in number 3 we have the thing we control this one, and number 4 we have the other wheels again, and number 5 also, number 6 so, and number 8 we have this pink thing, and this one for this one, so we can put it inside, and we have the battery, and we have the on and off. And now we have these things from here, but we don't have the on and off. We will find it, but it's not here. So we have these, and we will take this one, glue it over here, and this one have to get here, and this one also here, and this one it will go inside of these like this. But on and off they're going like, and we have this one, and we put it here in this. We're spinning it a lot of times, but we will stick it like this, and we have these for our thing, like, and we put this one like this, and this one I have to pick this, and we put this one like this, and we will take this one like this, and this one. After we put these, we'll stick this one here and this one here, and we put this on top of these. And this one, it will be here, and we will cut this one like a fan. We will put it here, and this one we will put it here, and we will put it down here for our thing, and we will be done. So let's start it now. Daddy. No. There are the things we need. Now guys, we're starting now. We will first do the wheels. So we will put this one here, and this one here. After do the wheels, we will put this one like this, and push it down this. So guys, now you can move like this. After that, we will go in our next one, put these in number 2. We can put this here or here, but we have to put it here, and we have to glue it. So the glue is over there, but it's kind of mess because it's already hot. So guys, I'm going to glue this here. So then I have to put this down here. So it will be easy for me there. And do this here. Put that like this, and turn like this. And this is a few hours. So we're leaving it for a few hours to dry. So stirred it, but we didn't put this yet. We didn't put this. We will put it and this will dry it. So guys, so I'm gluing this here. We was waiting here for a minute ago to this one dry. So we put this and we put this. We have to put this one heavy. After this, we can just put this one like this. So my dad is holding it for me. We'll just put it like this. This is tricky. So let's do it like this. And this one is here. So there is way. That's the blue. So guys, we're doing this like a fan, but I need somebody to help me, so my dad is helping me. So this is my dad is doing it. Kind of like, ow, that hurt. It's kind of around. This thing, yeah. But that's sticking it. Daddy, you have to get off this one. Now, guys, we begin because we stopped because we do this. Now we're working after. Wait. There. You can get the pants. And you can get some, I think some air for you, so you can say, and sweetheart, you can get some air, but you don't have to touch it. You touch it, you cut your hand with water. So guys, when you want to do this, you subscribe me and watch on my video, so you could copy that. And you need some help, you can get your brother or your sister or your parents. So bye. See you next video. Bye.